Yes, no people, pleasant good morning. There I go up on the scene. Look at juvenile and one forward, but you always say you want to come back? You want to come too? But you can't manage it, so you go, you know. When you get look a bit bigger, you come here. You now can manage out a rock.
Why?
Hmm?
Why?
You too little bit, brother. You know, can't manage it, okay? Go drop and cut up yourself.
I want big rock. You know go?
When you see a big guy, you get teeth. Watch him. One big guy, you get teeth.
Daddy,
Hmm?
I want big rock. You go?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
You can come when you get bigger.
Get bigger.
England and America style. Where next with a slippers to that there? You give name whatever that easy. Boss have a 1 foot. And Neymar have 1 foot of fame. Neymar have a 1 foot of fame and 1 foot of why? Do you think never go and bang? The peeps. It's been a while, but why? No one get used to this thing. It's a work and something. But you don't know, me have to do it, you see me? Have to do it. Because you would end there and bills and bag or something, so you know me have to do it, you see me? Yeah man, so I have to look at soldier crab. So I'm going to see if I can find a couple more. And I got the island low bed. Because you don't know. Let's check if I find a chop same way, you see me? So stay tuned in, man. You see me? Just I come back out of the bush, boy. Not to go on for me in the bush there. Trying to look one still, but still I check a next little spot I have done so see if I can find 2 more. You see it? Peeps. Elia! Find a part there, something, I have something there. Oh yeah, reverse. The part there, so, oh.
Yeah?
The part there, so I move out there now.
Like I see why you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I want to make something do a thing.
You know, peeps. Piece of rain. Watch out, man. Just set up so me I go move to the next swing. Watch out. On the tree, them a dance. Piece of rain catch his cry. Piece of rain step in, me I tell you. Oh, you no go on out of rain. Oh, you no go on over out of rain. Where your slippers them are out? The place no wet, man. Yeah, man. Big piece of rain. Hurry up before rain start. Yeah, no, peeps. Rain kind of ease up. Drive come down to the supermarket, down at the gas station. Yeah. They are wait for do the it. They are wait for pumpy. Then up on the hill I come down. But they are going. The rain ease up and I come in and so I go and see not that bad. I mean the scene not that good. Kind of rough and look away. But still, go out there go see what I go and see when me is it. Yeah, exam if you go look somewhere else, but no. Boss, I tell me about it, some look up brown one. I know if I them I might tell me about. Bobby, watch ya. I them I tell me about. See them brown one there where they on the water, one there for them they tell me about. Look on them, look for them I tell me. Go down there go show you. Cause a subscriber link me and I tell me say some brown one me can use them to them bad. But me not sure, me not know. if I them here. Say me I go try. Them here tell me about my boss. Them here. I'm kinda soft still. Boss them soft. Whatever them here. I carry this out, they go try, you know. I carry out, they go try peeps and see if it'll go on. See if I eat. Nothing I carry much, I carry a little piece. But if I eat, coming back for no. You see me? I should have just carry enough that if I eat. But I don't want to strain. No, sir. I'm not straining all the time. Go there. I pick some more so I know and sure about, you see me? See some more right there, so to a piece, but a little bit, them not enough. I go on a bar. See the more so. Them are not too enough. As me tell you, which part you can find more ass, and which part fresh water and sea water meet. Right on the shore. And a little river mouth down there, you see me? So fresh water come out in the sea water, you see me? Jaja. You see a nice, watch it man? Jaja. You say it look like Jack out there, so bite man. I'm not on a lobster bait. People, I don't know if you see them there. Look there, look there. No. A whole heap of them out there, no peeps. Watch it. Look there, look there. Look there, I don't know if you see them a flick up. Jaja. Nothing on the lobster, nothing could have tested them. If I have lobster, I would have tested them, you know. Right, I say no. No, I have nothing to test them, so. Long time, I don't fish off on them little place, you know. Good little while. You know, say, it look like it's a bit of sprat out there. I don't know if you can see them. Alright, you see right, that's how which part of the little water there. Kind of boil up right there, so. Let's go and look. See the boy them. I sprat them, you know. Jaja. Nice, look a bit of sprat in the peeps. Watch it, see them there? See them and flick up there? And next little bed up there, so to boy, I sprat them, you know. They look like some nice up there in the bed there too, you know. Jaja. Two them they far out, you know, I can't jig a couple of them, you know. Come on. The water pretty gone out still, you know. Look somewhere else and go out up on them still. Nice sprat, I'm not even. From when we say we are going to buy some sprat net, could I just dry net right here so now, you know? Jaja. Yes, people, do it forward there. Then come in here, be a sprat out there, you know, dog. Look right in it, see a little bed right there, so one bed right out there, sir. Look right out there, see them? Right here, sir, man. See right out there, sir, right there, sir. You see me? A whole heap of them, you know. Far in here have a net. And a sprat net. Portion of them in there, you know, yeah. Watch it. Oh, but dog. Watch it. Foreign out there. I know if foreign did it foreign, I go for that big net and man draw that same way. You know. I can get some of them big jack there, you know. Anything go through, small go through, and anything when it can't go through, you get knocked. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. Watch it, man. Watch it. Oh, but dog. Yeah. Far I see us, man. Far there right now. Far I know say dog would have out there. Dog would have ready. Right now, if I could have get that one, would have no rock it up, boy. Whole heap of them in there, you know. And then they close up my jig couple of them, you know. Whole heap of scrap, yo, Jaja. I didn't find a whole heap of soldier cab, but look at the soldier cab I find. So me I go look some more ass and I'll see what is that. You want me there right, fam? Peeps, me I go look some more ass and catch you out on the rock, you see me? Yeah, no peeps, watch ya. Come for look. Island low. But through the sea rough on the other day. Everything wash out. You know, star. Everything wash out of the water. And wash up on seaside. So watch ya. I'm not even have to go in go draw none again to all them wash out enough. Look at man. Look at this peeps. You know. You know I'm not take up them one right here so. I'm going to take up some out of the water. Because them still in the water. Look at this. Alright. A subscriber asks. Sure. Do a video with the how I get them. You see them? Look at them. See, you see anywhere the seawater and the freshwater meet, there's the morals them there. You see me? This is a I'm gonna call this now. A river. It's a river stream that come right out in the seawater. Right out. So the river stream gone right up, straight up to the mountain. And see it come right to the seawater. So look at these people. See Maras? Find a lot of them. Look there. A lot of them. Whole lot. Whole heap. Look them man. But through the sea get rough on the other day. A portion of them wash up on the shore. Look there. Wash out and wash up on the shore. But enough still there. Look there people. Look for Isla Low. And through me busy for the other day. Then get to grow up enough to in a man. Because through the other day I don't have no time to come do no fishing. So them get to come back enough them grow up. You see me? When they day here they would grow so much. Because more than I pick them straight. You see me? Yes, on the other day full moon go and pass and I don't catch that full moon. But they are going to try a thing same way. So stay tuned in the paper. Stay tuned. Big up on yourself. Go and look. See there? Easy man. See them here? Whole heap of them. All they have to do just draw. Turn up and draw. Watch out. One handful. Now one draw. I draw one handful. Look there. Pull my bucket and go up on the water. Go see what I go on. So go and stay tuned. You will see how the thing go. You know? Big up on yourself and respect for stick and staying with us, you know, man. Respect for no support, you know. I can't stop saying that, you know. You see me? I stick with you and I want to stay with you, you see me? Yeah, man. I want nothing on to go on and still I go and wait out for anything and anything them drop, you know. Take in, so big up on yourself and enough respect, you see me? Whole heap of respect and for no support, you see me? Yeah, man. Stay tuned. Remember, you know, man. Put God first, you know. That's the thing, you see me? That's the topic. God in the thing, everything is possible, you see me? Without God, nothing is possible. And when God in that thing, even the impossible get possible, you see me? Yeah, man. Let's go and stay tuned and go and big up on yourself, you see me? Yeah man, catch you out on the rock. Do out on the shore because do now to wet up him shoes, you know. But just I take up, because I can't take them up fast, so I just take up a bucket fast. Stay tuned, peeps. Yeah, man. Going through the bush, you know. Yeah, man. Anyway, so one time me I walk at them place in a youth alone, soldier crab, you know. Could one time I walk through them place right here, so and I pick up at least a dozen soldier crab before I reach out and see. No, everything I get shot. Everything I get shot, brother. When I walk through one, no, I'm not pick up one. No, I'm not pick up one and because I see him reach already. So you go, man. Everything I get shot, you know. Limited. Yeah, man. Kind of late to the still car. We decide to come and see still now, but I low on the rain. Low on the rain. And last night I come in off for work. Been out for a while, you know. Out on the road. Do some work for about a week and come in last night and say, you know, say, long time when I give people them some one video. You know, say, do me kind of tired and thing. I want some time with the family. Me still I say, yo, I can shut a one video, man. You see me? So I say, alright. Up and say me I go look some soldier crab and say me I go shut a video. But boy, be a rain coming in, peeps. Rain ease up now and determined, you know. So me I can shut the same way for you, so. There, and we are go out there. Reach from the rock now still. And I reach I spot it. And take my time go on. Boogie down, you know. Oh, but you don't know, dude. Give me a carry 5 bucket now, man. I don't know. See no that car, man. That's, yeah. And I bouncy one way, man. Yeah, Joe. This is called Charm Basin, peeps. You know, based on the series, I just wash up from right team. Bouncy one, look over here, man. Parrot, then everybody, one day I'm going to try offer some parrot yourself before I go up, so. Try, yeah, man. You try nothing done. Okay, my beautiful people. Yeah, man, we out here, you know. Reach from the rock. See, kind of bounce one little way, you see me? Yeah, man, me and Dude out here, you know. Then did a gilging up him line. I don't have no line gauge up, but just by a 10-pound test, I got gauge him up too. See it? That's 2 parrot I want, you know, man. See me? I want 2 parrot, you know. And then after I get 2 parrot, the left and right, yes, and go up at the chub bed, you see me? Yeah, man. See if I can catch and I chop them, you see it? All the water kind of bouncy still, I don't chop them still, but nothing try, nothing done. You see me? So, stay tuned now, man. Gauging up and see if I can throw off the first parrot, you see it? Out. Oh, man. Telling the people, second show, boy. Nice little one, you know? Second show, yeah. Nice, boy. Pink as him name. You see me? Yes, man. That is it. First catch this. Line not up. His first show, I show in the line not up. Bad. The second show, this is the outcome. Who need him? Have fun him be now. If you want him, comment in the comment section. Let me know where you at. Let me send you. You see me? For FedEx, if I whether one name Express, if I Nutsford, if I just comment and tell me where you at, and I will surely let you have this beautiful. Wow, look at that, my people. Oh my words, it's so beautiful. The pity you have to go get eat off him, man. Them pretty, man. So now I'm going to some water. No, I stay a Sunday too quick. No water, girl. Did I ready? No, I not did it. Click what I say now, man. No, you can't do it so quick, you know, because I just take you out of the water, you know. Oh, give them a move. It's the next one. Yes. Look at this. You know, some dash cross over, some not even know. Dash it somewhere. I'm throw you out of water. I know I just pop you off and dash it. I don't know where you go. Another one. Another one bite the dust. Another one bite the dust. Another one bite. Try no face. Just get your fingers and let me throw back again. See there? But I'm throw again. This is a bridging. This is a bridging parrot. Bridging parrot. And watch out, I throw again and go for the next one again, you know, man. Cause them out there, you know, people. Go in the water, what they say, go on easy back. Them out there like, wow! So now I see them can go to boss and go get a fine line for them. Ah! Tell them to buy a fine line now, my own. Because I tell you, them fine line I kill a few parrot them, you know. Yeah, man. Fine line be kill a parrot them wicked, man. You know, soldier them come out the sun and beat them bad. So, stay tuned now, people. Stay tuned. Second one, that. See me can go for your next one again, you see me? Yeah, man. Out there again, peeps. Go out there, you know. Out there again. I rang where I put on, man. H peeps, H. There you go. Boss, the big. When I say take a phone and video this youth. The boss said, what? You have another 3-0. 3-0. He said, look at this. 2 for 1. 2 for 1. You got this. Aye. 2 because it's in a youth. And baby, I'm mad and him pick me apart. Hey. 4-0 that youth. 2-0. 3-0. What is that? 4-0 that. I tell you, sir, each line, each people. You line each and I say, yo, I'm not even about that fully arm and lift. I'm going to feel it and take away. I say, yeah? Hey. Well, the dog there, man. I'm going to stay too. With them a bite, so we are kill them, isn't it?
Stay put.
That is it, youth. That is it. Yeah, man. Out there again for another one. Out there again for another one. One more from them. Road. Alright, peeps. Cause the boy then lock off from me, you know. Boy, they say nah, give me no more than the 4. Them there. So, move, go down to Chub City, go see where I go and see if we can catch a couple of chub them, you know. See where I go on in my Chub City. You see already yet? Eh? But I said now move you to next string. So if I catch up, I have to catch one before I move. You feel it down there? No, I feel no. Try to chop them, if no chop now, something, I'm come back down and something. No chop now, but I come back down and something. So if you go on him not ready, I think soon come. Give me 2 I chop up them now.
Checking out bag this see so.
Why peeps? Come a Chub City but why? Chub City Europe man. Chub City I go and wicked a beer white water. And see nothing down there, you know say. When the water calm and pretty boy then come up but why? I can't see nothing. I throw out some portion or something still, but look at that. Look at that. man. Like a white out beach, white out. And see nothing. Look like it's a no to the feature of them, you know. They are still. I throw a 2 line and see what you can go and see. I test down the same and see what can go on. Is it? So I can't see nothing at all, but I test the same way still. So stay tuned with my catch on here, we see. Do left down, way down, so you see me do say, I'm not ready to come up here, see me way down yesterday. Nothing I'm going to feel, I'm not ready to come up here at all, I'm see if I can catch 2 first. So I can go and still stay tuned. So alright people. Explorers down here so for a little while, but as I say, water kind of bouncy, well bouncy, and I don't see nothing down there, you see me? So I not even know if them down there, but throw off a lot, because I have come out with the bucket full, so throw off about half bucket. Alright, I know I don't see none, because the sea kind of bouncy, well bouncy, you see me? Well rough, so just I chew off everything and go back to see if I can catch some more parrot, you see me? So chop out of it for the day, you see me? Yeah man, you see choppy, well choppy, I can't see nothing at all. That's how I go still. I will just feed them, I chew off the rest of our left. The rest of half bucket, we just chew it off down there. And no, sir, so I'm going to feed them this trip. Next trip, hopefully, I'm going to catch a couple of them, you know. And throw them off, you know. You know, say in the rough there, you know, man, maybe boy them down there come out, wicked a feed on them there in the rough there, you know, but true, me can't see nothing on the water well rough. Even when me throw, the water I do the line away, so even if them have it, me not feel it, you see me? So, that's one of them time there, you know. That's one of them time there, man. Nothing wrong for me feed them now, you see me? So I'm going to just throw off the rest of this and then go back down there to see if I can catch 2 more parrots. So stay tuned now. Yeah, dude, must catch something down here, people. A while I left, you know. And go up there, so but nothing I'm going to chop them, but if I'm past 2 fishing spots, come all the way back down here saying, but I ain't take none of the soldier crab them. Never take none of the soldier crab them, I just shot bait alone, I go up there so with, but they are still reach back down here, so I go on. No catch none all out. Already backside. Do you want pilot? Feed down here, feed them, man. See if I can come back and kill 1 or 2 more. Nothing up so boy. Just throw off all I do something down there. Water too rough, man. Well bouncy. See what can gilging up back and see what can go on. Stay tuned, peeps. Ja knows. My peeps, movements again, you know. Go a shake stone, go see what go on. Go rock up here, sonny, and shake stone on the wave. When the sea rough and the wave hit the rock shake. So them call it shake stone, you know. There, man. I got a nice one, so catch a nice one, you know. And the line slip out of me and the boy get it on it. But Judge. So I go still. Okay. Just some of them time there, no? All them thing there. Catch 4. Lose 1. So there you go. I put down one out there and catch 4 nice one. So give thanks for it, you know. See there, okay. This is called Shake Stone. You can see a man going on a flat back. But can't see him. The box peeps. So I go on a shake stone for me. I can catch a 1 or 2 more upon what me have. One stay tuned now, man. Think me catch a way see, see me? Well, peeps, shake stone, boy, nothing now go on. All me I run from the pile at them. Right at shake stone, me come catch 1. You see me? But catch a 1 pile at this and nothing now go on. But if you come off of this rock, if you go all the way over, no, sir, too much walking and a little bit of bait we have left. So we just go back and shop, me catch it 2 pink as them. And see if I can catch 2 more. I'll know. John know do that. I'll know people and say, I'll know you're not broke your ducks. I'll know you're not broke your ducks. But so far I was still. No, your boss not broken ducks to round dog. There you go. Today for me, tomorrow for him. As a real go always would I say. You feel me? But I'll go back down there so I go see what I go on. And the day not even done, so I can't say today for me and tomorrow for me. Okay, you know where something go. Can't go down there so I catch 1. You take it there. You see me? See you here. So, oh, so you go here, man. There, see me. For 5 me gone, 4 parrot and 1 pilot. See if I can catch 2 more down there, so even a jack or something. You see me? Yeah, man. See what can go on still. You must have saw you go. It's a Liam, man. Liam bad. Liam. Down there, show line. How much hook me go up there so go low? So 4 hook. You see me? I'm alright with that. Try back there and see what can go on. You see me? Just go and stick and stay. Yes, peeps. Another one bite the dust. Yeah, and look at trouble. My friend them, you know, man. Can't come and go home with the one, you know, man. You see me? So, boy, going home time now, peeps. You see me? Been a long day, you know. So, go on with the 4 parrots, 1 pilot, and 1 make you see good. Make you see them good. Alright. 4 parrots, 1 pilot, and 1 chop. You see me? That is it. That is it for the day. You see me? Alright. I'll no do no broken dust, but the boss say another time today for me. Tomorrow for him, you know? That was story. There are no people, so we have to say to the people in my boss, he finally say. Say something to the people there, man.
Today film, tomorrow film.
So today for me, you know. Tomorrow film. So that was the catch, you know. And there is the sea. Beautiful view. Yeah, skyline and cross over there, so, you know, man. Go in here now, so until next time, you know, man. Stay safe, is it? Remember to put God first in everything you want to do. You see me? Out.